Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to find your router's IP address on any device, Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, you name it. It's super simple and takes less than a minute. Let's get into it. Before we start, real quick, your router has a local IP address, also called a default gateway. This is the address you type in your browser to access your router's settings page. Most routers use something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, but it can vary depending on your router brand. On Windows, the fastest way is through the command prompt. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and hit Enter. Then type ipconfig and press Enter. Look for the line that says Default Gateway. That number right next to it is your router's IP address. Done. On a Mac, click the Apple menu and go to System Settings, then Network. Select your active connection, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and click Details. You'll see your router's IP listed next to Router. Simple as that. On iPhone, open Settings and tap Wi-Fi. Tap the little info icon next to your connected network. Scroll down a bit and you'll see Router. Right there is your router's IP address. By the way, I've written a detailed article with images for each step on my website. Link is in the description if you prefer reading. On Android, it's just as easy, though the steps vary slightly by phone. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and tap on your connected network. Look for Gateway or Router IP in the network details. On some phones, you might need to tap Advanced to see it. Here's a trick that works on almost any device. Just open your browser and try typing 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. One of these is almost always your router's login page. If neither works, check the sticker on the back of your router. The IP is usually printed right there. And that's it. 5 easy ways to find your router's IP address on any device. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android, you've got it covered now. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.